Okay, so Emma says she didn't like the gray one, so we try the green one and see if she likes that one. Right? Do you like this one?
No.
No?
No.
This is not your airplane then either? No? Okay. Which one do you want?
I want,
Yellow one?
yeah, one yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Do you want to go see the yellow airplane?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want this one right there.
That one down there?
No, not that one. That one right there.
Down there?
No.
Hmm?
That one.
Oh.
No, that
Do you know which one do you want?
I want.
I like this one. This one's kind of cool.
No, not this one. I want this one. Girl. I don't want that one.